Welcome to our deep dive into the world of SIEM tools. This video is for IT professionals, cybersecurity enthusiasts, and anyone interested in understanding how organizations protect themselves from digital threats. By the end, you'll have a clear grasp of what SIEM is, why it's crucial, and see real-world examples of how it's used to defend against cyber attacks. Let's get started. In today's digital landscape, cyber threats are constantly evolving. Organizations face a barrage of attacks, making robust security measures essential. This is where SIEM comes into play. But what exactly is SIEM? SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. It's a comprehensive approach to security that combines Security Information Management, or SIM, which focuses on log management and reporting, with Security Event Management, or SEM, which deals with real-time monitoring and correlation of events. SIEM is crucial because it provides a centralized view of an organization's security posture. It collects security data from various sources across the IT infrastructure, helping to detect, analyze, and respond to security incidents as they happen. Without SIEM, it would be like looking for a needle in a digital haystack, making it incredibly difficult to identify and address threats effectively. SIEM tools perform several key functions that are vital for effective cybersecurity. Let's break them down. First, SIEM tools excel at log collection and aggregation. They gather log data from virtually every device and application within an organization's network, including firewalls, servers, workstations, and applications. This vast amount of data is then centralized and normalized, making it easier to analyze. Next up is event correlation and analysis. This is where SIEM truly shines. It uses predefined rules and algorithms to identify patterns and relationships between seemingly disparate events. For example, multiple failed login attempts followed by a successful login from an unusual location could be flagged as a suspicious activity. Finally, SIEM provides real-time alerting and incident response capabilities. When a suspicious event or a series of correlated events triggers a rule, the SIEM system generates an alert, notifying security teams immediately. This allows for rapid investigation and response to potential threats, minimizing potential damage. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of how SIEM tools are used to detect and respond to cyber threats. Imagine a scenario where an attacker attempts a brute force attack on a user account. The SIEM system would collect multiple failed login attempts from a single IP address. By correlating these events, the SIEM can identify this as a brute force attack and trigger an alert, allowing security teams to block the attacking IP or lock the account. SIEM can also help identify insider threat activity. For instance, if an employee suddenly starts accessing sensitive files outside of their usual work hours or from an unusual location, the SIEM can flag this as anomalous behavior. This proactive detection helps prevent data breaches or intellectual property theft from within. In the event of a malware infection, the SIEM can detect the presence of malicious files or suspicious network connections. It can then trigger automated responses, such as isolating the infected system from the network, quarantining malicious files, and providing security teams with the necessary information to remediate the threat. There are many powerful SIEM tools available in the market today, each with its unique strengths. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Splunk Enterprise Security is a widely recognized SIEM solution known for its powerful data analytics capabilities and user-friendly interface. It excels at log management and real-time analysis, making it a favorite among large enterprises. IBM QRadar is another industry leader, offering comprehensive threat detection, security intelligence, and compliance management. It's highly scalable and is often chosen by organizations with complex IT environments. Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud-native SIEM solution built on Azure. It leverages AI and machine learning to provide intelligent security analytics across the entire enterprise, especially for organizations heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. In conclusion, implementing a SIEM solution offers numerous benefits. It enhances threat detection capabilities, improves incident response times, helps meet compliance requirements, and ultimately strengthens an organization's overall cybersecurity posture. It's an indispensable tool for any organization serious about protecting its digital assets.